Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, today we're drawing a butterfly and all we need is 2 pencils, 1 pen and a piece of paper. First, take the piece of paper and a light pencil and trace your butterfly. Now I'm doing 3 butterflies, and if you want to do more or less, it's all up to you. And you think it's the final copy? Take a pen and outline your butterfly. After you're done with that, take a darker pencil and fill it in inside the head part. Now take the dark pencil again and shade or color in the edge of the wings. Now take the light pencil again and shade it inside the wing part. And if you're done with that, take a brush, earbud or cotton and mix it up. And this is just one part of the wing, and if you're done with that, just do it with all the other wings, and that's basically it.